In 2019, researchers at Oregon State University ran an experiment on cats using a test originally designed for human infants. It's called the Secure Base Test, and for decades, it's been the gold standard for measuring attachment between a baby and a parent. Nobody expected cats to respond the same way. They did. Today, we're breaking down 12 behaviors that suggest your cat's brain doesn't fully distinguish between you and their actual mother, and the science behind why. Welcome back to Mindful Meow, the channel dedicated to understanding what's really going on inside your cat's mind. Let's get into it. Sign 1. Kneading. That rhythmic paw-pressing motion against your lap or blanket isn't random comfort-seeking. Kittens need their mother's belly specifically to stimulate milk flow while nursing. When your fully grown cat does this to you, especially while purring with half-closed eyes, their brain is running the exact same motor pattern it used in kittenhood, and you're the one it's directing it toward. Sign 2. The slow blink. Look at your cat. Slowly close your eyes, then open them again. Veterinary behaviorists consider this one of the clearest trust signals a cat can give, not a sign of sleepiness. Return the gesture and, according to researchers who've studied it, you can actually strengthen the bond further just by blinking back. Sign 3. Purring specifically around you. Purring starts as a kitten's way of communicating contentment and location to their mother during nursing. While adult cats purr in a few different contexts, purring that happens specifically in your presence is functionally the same signal a kitten once used to stay connected to their mother. Sign 4. Head bunting. Pressing their head firmly against you starts as a bonding behavior between kittens and their mother, and it serves two purposes at once: social bonding and scent marking you as part of their family group. Sign 5. Licking you. Grooming is one of the most socially significant behaviors in a cat's world, used specifically to build and reinforce trust between bonded individuals. When your cat licks you, they're recreating the exact grooming relationship a mother cat has with her kittens. Sign 6. Following you from room to room. Kittens instinctively trail their mother everywhere for safety and guidance. If your cat hovers nearby while you cook, or waits outside the bathroom door, that's the same underlying instinct, not simple curiosity. Sign 7, and this is the one that surprises most owners: bringing you gifts. A dead bug or a toy mouse dropped at your feet doesn't feel like an honor, but in feline behavior, it's one of the most meaningful gestures a cat can make. Mother cats teach kittens to hunt by bringing them prey. When your cat brings you something, they're treating you exactly the way a mother cat treats her kittens. Sign 8. Meowing specifically at you. Here's a detail almost nobody knows. Adult cats essentially stop meowing at each other once they mature. Kittens meow at their mother when they need something, and cats have kept that specific communication style reserved almost exclusively for humans into adulthood. Sign 9. Showing you their belly. A cat's stomach is their single most vulnerable area, and exposing it in the wild is close to a last resort. A cat rolling over and fully relaxing their belly in front of you mirrors the same trust a kitten shows lying belly up beside its mother, confident nothing can hurt them there. Sign 10. Sleeping against you. Sleep is the most defenseless state any animal enters. Kittens sleep pressed against their mother specifically for protection and warmth, and a cat choosing to sleep against your chest or side as an adult is recreating that same need for security. Sign 11. Presenting their hindquarters near your face. It sounds strange, but it's rooted in real maternal behavior. Mother cats groom this area on their kittens to help stimulate and clean them. Behaviorists interpret a cat presenting this area to you as a genuine sign of trust and comfort, not rudeness. And sign 12. The science that ties all of this together. In that 2019 Oregon State University study, researchers placed cats through the same secure base test used on human infants. 2 minutes, in an unfamiliar room with their caregiver, 2 minutes alone, then a reunion. The results, published in the journal Current Biology, found that 65% of cats showed secure attachment to their human, calming down almost instantly upon reunion and confidently splitting their attention between their owner and the new environment. That 65% figure nearly matches the rate of secure attachment found in human infants with their own parents. To be clear, your cat almost certainly knows you're not a 6-pound cat who gave birth to them. But according to the study's lead researcher, Kristen Vitale, this attachment to humans may represent an adaptation of that original offspring-caregiver bond, carried forward into an interspecies relationship. Your cat's brain and behavior may still be running that same ancient program, even if some part of them clearly knows better. So if your cat needs you, slow blinks at you, follows you room to room, and curls up against you every night, that's not just casual affection. According to the current science, it's the closest thing a cat is capable of forming to a genuine mother-child bond. If your cat does 5 or more of these, drop the number in the comments. I want to know how many of you have a certified mama's cat at home. And don't forget to subscribe to Mindful Meow, because next time, we're breaking down what your cat's sleeping position actually reveals about how they feel about you.